In this guide, we're going over how to enable voice chat here in Universal Tower Defense on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is, of course, make sure voice chat is enabled on your Roblox account. So go ahead and back out of the game itself. Once you back out of the game itself, what you need to go ahead and do is select more all the way down here. From here, go ahead and find your settings and open that up and go into privacy and content restrictions. It's going to load for a second. On here, find communication, and you want to make sure that you have experience chat actually turned on and direct chat turned on as well. Keep in mind, I think you do have to be over the age of 13 in order to go ahead and use these, so keep that in mind. I'd also recommend going into party chat and turning that on, putting this on all friends, and of course changing this to all friends as well. From here, you can back out and get loaded back into your game. Sometimes, by the way, you do have to make sure that you have a verified like email or phone number. Make sure you go ahead and do that as well. Like I have my phone number verified right here. But back out of this, once you're back on the home screen, you can get loaded back into Universal Tower Defense. And once you're loaded in, just look for the voice chat option up at the very top and just take it on just like so. That is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.